This is the upper shopping level. How is we really in charge of the buttons? Oh shit, please let me out of the lift. And now to the service lift, which is a Schindler M series hydraulic. Yeah, you can try to get me again, lithium. Yeah. And now, into the lift near my store, which is a 16 step lift. Yeah, you can try get me again. You can try get me again in the next lift film 124 because you're gonna get off next time. Oh no, he got me again. That's rather strange. It was me getting me again with the same auto places and many other stuffs like. Somebody just came to this lift. That's so strange. Someone coming to this lift. Trying to get to the lift. There's no guiding me. No. Gonna off you, boy. I'm gonna off you, boy. And now, finally got into my store and into the first lever, which is an OT Series 7. Oh yeah, I'm gonna thinking of. Just gonna try to get thinking of another lift. Oh no, he got TKD's less elevators are the best. Oh yeah, now he is on the lift. OMG, he got. He just went down in the staircase on the escalators. Oh, how does he know how? And now to the other lift, which is a Wissensquarp hydraulic. And these lifts are just near the escalators. Wow, Talipi Monster's trying to really abuse me. No! He just almost did epic door close on TK Lives Less Elevators Are the Best and Just Mario 2009. Oh, you really wanted to know what it meant? Oh, yeah. This is almost to be frozen. Oh yes, the Don got banned for life. This is trying to really abuse us. Haha. And now let's go take a ride in the escalators. How did someone just gotten some kind of Oh no, that's oh yeah, that lift film 1, 2, 4 just literally got it. And what's in the name of fuck where I'm going? This is some escalators isn't to be actually going on. Oh yeah, he actually didn't oof me. And now to the lifts in the car park, which is some nice ass in service race lifts. Let's ride them. Oh yes, Talipi Monster got the Luigi ban. Wow, that was an epic. And now to the other lift. Oh yeah, you're gonna try refreshing me, boy. Because I'm gonna oof you, boy. Anyway, now to the other lift. This lift goes fast to meet a second. And now, TK Leaps Less Elevators Are the Best is gonna go. Is now just Mario 2009 is gonna go up and I'm gonna watch him. There he goes. There was the counter with. There you go, son. That's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. We hope you enjoyed and I'll see you in the next video.